In this video, I will show you 3 alternative software to Photoshop. These softwares are free to use, either personally or commercially, and no attribution required. So the first one on the list is Krita, spelled Krita. Now this software is available on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. Here it says that Krita is a professional, free, and open source painting program. So you can use Krita for concept art, texture, and made painters, illustrations, and comics. Now if I click on features, here it says no trials, no subscriptions, no limit to your creativity. So this is the layout. The layout is customizable. Over 30 dockers for additional functionality. Dark and light color theme. And these are the tools: brushes, stabilizers, vectors and text, brush engines, wraparound mode, resource manager. If we click on the gallery, these are some painting done in Krita. If we click on download, here you can download the 64-bit installer. I'm going to save that on my desktop. If I click on about, if I click on license, Krita is licensed on the GNU General Public License. You are free to use Krita for any purpose, including creation of commercial work. You are free to give other people copies of Krita. However, commercial redistribution is limited. If we click on Get Involved, you can become a tester, translator. You can get support. Now I'm going to install the software. So the software had to unpack. I'm going to click on OK. Next, accept the terms of license agreement. Click Next. Click Next. I agree. Next. Install. Click on Next. Finish. The installation is pretty simple. So this is the program. So let's start a new file. Click on Create. I'm going to drag and drop an image. And these are the tools. That's the Move tool. That's the Select tool. You can use this to sample a color. These are the Select tool. This is the Crop tool. You can change the opacity of the image. And that's the basic overview of Krita. Let's move on to the next software. The next one on the list is Inkscape. Just like Krita, this is free to use. And this is also a open source software. Like it says at the bottom here, Inkscape is free and open source. I'm going to click on the About licensing. This also have the GNU General Public License. If you go to Community and click on Gallery, these are some painting done in Inkscape. Now I'm going to download the software. So I'm going to click on Windows Installer Package. I'm going to save that on my desktop. So the download is completed. That's the installer package. Click on Next. Click on Next. Install. Wait until that is finished. The installation is finished. This one took a longer time to install than Krita. I'm going to run the program. I'm going to select a dark canvas. I'm going to save that. Click on new document. I'm going to drag and drop the same image. I'm going to resize the image. All my tools is on the left hand side. This is the select tool. So these tools create different patterns. This one creates a square, a rectangle, circle, or ellipse. On circle, ellipse, and arc. Create stars and polygon. Create 3D boxes. Let's try that one. Oops. This one picks color. That's the erase tool. We have the layers, objects, object, path, text, filters, extension, and help. You can select different colors. There are some more tools on the right hand side. So this is a basic overview of Inkscape. So the next one on the list is Gimp. Gimp. This one is also free and open source. These are some artwork. Let's click on the about. Here you can find links to history, manual, and other resources, documents. There's some tutorials. Let's click on download. I'm going to download directly. Save that on my desktop. Gimp is the biggest file of the three. So I'm not going to do the installation because I already have Gimp on this computer. So I'm going to run Gimp. Gimp is also similar to the other software. Here you have tools on the right hand side and more tools on the left hand side. I'm going to drag and drop an image. I'm going to keep the same format. This is the crop tool, the color select tool, you can add text, you can move the image around with the select tool or move tool, you can zoom in, erase. Here you have edit, select, view, image, layers, colors, tools, filters, windows, help. So that is the basic overview of Gimp. Hope you find the software interesting and you use one of them. They are free and you don't have to pay for them. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment, and bye for now.